Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be making donuts. So watch this video till the end to see how to make these delicious donuts. So to begin with, in my large mixing bowl I will add warm water, liquid milk, some sugar and also some yeast. After that I'm going to mix it, then I'm going to cover with a cling film and allow it to proof for about 5 to 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later I'm going to unwrap the yeast mixture, then I'll add my egg, add some vegetable oil, which you can also use butter, and after that I'm going to mix together. Next I'm going to sieve in some dried flour, and after that I will also add in some salt to it. Then I'll go ahead to use my spatula to start mixing. Next I'm going to go ahead to add in more flour, and after that I'll continue mixing with my spatula until I form a dough for my donut. And after I form a dough for my donuts, I'll go ahead to sprinkle some flour on my rolling mat. Then I'll go ahead to place the dough on the rolling mat and start kneading with my hand. I'm going to continue kneading until I get a perfect dough for my donuts. Make sure you knead your dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, form a ball with your dough. Then place it in your bowl. Then brush with some oil, and after that wrap it with your cling film or cover with your kitchen towel. Then allow the dough to rest for about 1 hour or 2. So 2 hours later I allowed my dough to rest for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours I'm going to place the dough on my rolling mat. Then I'm going to go ahead to divide the dough into 2 portions, and after that I'll take out 1 portion of the dough and use my rolling pin to flatten the dough. And after I'm done flattening my dough, I'm going to use a round shaped plate to cut my dough. You can as well use a donut cutter to cut your dough. Next I'm going to use a water bottle cover to make a hole in the middle of the cut dough. And after cutting my dough, I'm going to go ahead to place them on my oven rack, and after that I'll use a cling film to wrap it and allow it to rest for about 45 minutes. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time of coming across my channel. Also like and share this video, and please, one more thing guys, do remember to join my YouTube membership to see all my exclusive videos and also to become part of this amazing family. So guys, this is what my shaped donut dough look like after 45 minutes. Next I'm going to add in some vegetable oil into my deep saucepan, allow it to heat up, and after that I'll start placing my donut dough in my vegetable oil. And after that I'm going to allow it to fry until it turns golden brown. Next, go ahead to flip the other side of the donut and allow it to fry until it also turns golden brown. So guys, do remember to fry your donut on a medium heat. As you can see now, my donut is ready now. I'm going to take it out from the oil and place it on my kitchen towel. So guys, this is what my donuts look like. I added chocolate topping on my donuts. You can add any topping of your choice.